towards Mazaara shop. First, passing by some resort and a farm here in Al-Bahia, near Shahama bus station. Not too near, but that's where I stopped at. In Abu Dhabi, suburbs. Took bus number 200 or 201 to get to the Shahama bus station. You can just camp here. But I booked a hostel for like 30 dirhams with tax. Got to take another bus there. It's called Paradiso. Backpackers Haven. Oh, camel, are you camel or not camel? I mean, are you completely camel or are you not? Someone has gotten extremely bored that they are talking to the camels, asking them if they are complete or not. If they are completely camel or not. I can't stop laughing at my own jokes. And the worst part is there is no camel. It's completely empty, other than shrubs and sands and mosque. There's nothing at all here to see. Oh, villas maybe for locals, maybe some villa here or one or two that are also boring, so very boring. I changed my mind, don't ever come here. Thank you very much. That's for your own good, for your well-being. Don't come here or you'll be bored to death, whether by bored from walking or bored from your jokes that are hilarious, by the way. Jokes you'll make here, so funny. You camel, you're so funny. Imaginary camel. Oh, camel.